How about you just take a picture of the destruction?
Do we need to build
Do
a
it
wall or
of the
anything?
destruction.
No. Well, we need to build a wall first. Beep, beep, beep,
I got that because I'm doing it. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. Wait, I want to see the last video after this. We're doing the second video with only girls.
Yeah, that's not
Mine
so
Ooh.
Ninja!
How about we do it in the dirt?
No, I want to
Got
use
it.
your
Yeah, we are gonna do it. Oh,
I'm gonna be using that yellow thing.
I'm gonna be using that white one, the one that Brady's using.
Construction. Not destroying.
And it's not just gonna be a destruction site.
No.
It's gonna be a police station too.
No?
Yeah,
It's gonna be Minecraft.
and a police station.
Oh, you guys are making a police station?
No, it's
I am.
it's only girls next one only.
Yeah.
What?
I think all the girls left.
No.
They're in the front yard. No,
Oh.
they're in the front yard.
Oh.
They just said to get them when it's time.
I keep poking myself.
Help me!
I want to go get my fluffy blankie.
As long as you guys take it with you when you leave.
Because then it'll be ending up in the lost down ball.
Yes, it will.
And then the
Yep. That wouldn't be good, would it?
This is not what I had in mind. It's not yet. Wait, you guys, this is for construction.
Not destroying.
No, not for.
This is construction.
It's not for cars. Well, yeah, it's not for cars.
Nathan, you're in front of Lukey. Oh, now Lukey's out. That was fun.
How should we go?
There's a big monster in the
I
town.
might heal, Mom.
There's a huge monster destroying the town. Oh, the monster left.
Good job, dude. Yeah, I'm really good at it. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, Bob. Yeah. Yeah, Bob. Yeah, Bob. There's Bob again. Bob! No! Bobby! No! Bobby! Oh, sorry, boss.
Oh, sorry, boss.
Mookie's way over there.
Yep. Lukey, you have to be a construction team.
He can be a fire truck.
He can make sure there's no fires when you're doing it.
He's making sure that there's no fire while you're doing it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I want to make sure there's no people are. Where's the tire? No birds.
Come on, hurry up. Now the girls won't get any turn.
Sorry, we're too busy doing this too much.
I don't let her use the pillows. He's gonna make you guys go inside.
Who? Really?
Wink was on.
Yep.
I hate it when they're on. Don't mind.
Sometimes they do.
Yeah, they always go over there. Oh, that's gonna look at. Fine, use mine. Or mine.
That's where you're done stuff.
Okay.
Angry bird in the picture.
No, there's no big angry bird.
Hello.
And do not use my angry bird.
Oh.
You guys almost done?
Hurry up. The girls won't get any.
do this for years.
Okay, we're done. We're done.
No.
Done.
Listen. I'm not
They're
done.
done.
Hey, Nathan, your movie now.
What?
It's your movie now.
Come on.
Ah.
Yep, you and Nathan.
Bleh. Oh no, just he's in there. The big.
And we need an ambulance.
Ambulance.
He's staring at you.
Upside down.
Look at this. Ah.
Guys, we're gonna do this forever.
Look at this. There's a big angry bird.
Okay, you got one more minute, Nathan.
No. I'm gonna keep doing it.
I don't have forever on my memory card. No.
How come?
They don't make memory cards that last forever.
Yeah, sometimes I make discount.
Yeah.
Why don't you do that? We're gonna take forever now, because you are taking forever. Okay, that's it.
No, it's not. It's not been 1
Has it
minute.
been 1 minute yet?
Almost. He's got close to 30 seconds left.
30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Father Abraham and many sons. Many sons had Father Abraham. And I'm one of them, and so are you.
Right. So when I get back, could you stop it? Because I don't want to miss none.
10 seconds.
10
seconds.
Stop. An Angry Bird in the video. We used to have a big blue Angry Bird, but we don't know where it is.
Is it done yet?
Ready? You guys want to say anything at the end?
No.
Bye, everybody. Say that. Say it. Come on. Bye-bye. The video's over.